Iende kukomboa nchi. Sasa natoa roho yangu. Iende kukomboa nchi. Sasa natoa roho yangu. Iende kukomboa nchi. Ambao walitoa roho zao. Iende kukomboa nchi. Ambao walitoa roho zao. Ziende kukomboa nchi. Sasa natoa roho yangu. Iende kukomboa nchi. Sasa natoa roho yangu. Iende kukomboa nchi. Sasa natoa roho yangu. Iende kukomboa nchi.
Are all subject to the Constitution. And nobody can argue against the right under Article 37 to rightful. Kenyans have a right to demonstrate, to picket, to petition whoever in a peaceful manner, Your Honor. And the only proviso is unarmed. These people are chained to each other. And as I said, I reiterated the early arguments. Therefore, we urge that you release these peaceful Kenyans unconditionally to go and join the rest of the Kenyans as they welcome the new year.
The supporting affidavit does not support the holding of these Kenyans, distinguished Kenyans. Then there is nothing more. The court has just to discharge them. There's nothing like issue stringent conditions. On what? There are no charges before you. Just a request for the police to spend New Year with them, and they are not their relatives. They are not their friends. They've already wasted a whole day where they could have been doing other things. So once you find that this affidavit, as I'm about to persuade you, discloses no offense, because you are being told they were about to commit offenses against the peace, then Corporal Anthony Kerini, he states the first and second paragraph is, the first paragraph he says he's competent to swear the affidavit. The second one, I'm investigating offenses of incitement to violence, disobedience of the law, contrary to section 96 of the Penal Code, taking part in unlawful assembly, contrary to section 78(1), as read with section 79 of the Penal Code, creating disturbance in a manner likely to cause a breach of peace, contrary to section 95 of the Penal Code. Then he goes on, so he's investigating, he's not sure, because if he was, he would be saying they committed a breach of the peace, they did A, B, C, D. He could even be saying how they incited violence, but he doesn't say so. He just names the offenses he wishes to investigate. Then he says they were in the Nairobi Central Business District, as though that was a crime. Then he says the mobile phones have been taken away. He's disclosing that the police have actually violated the law. They cannot take their mobile phones without a court order.